Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you this adorable swing dress from Weeksy. Now, this is the dark green, gives you a better look at that color, and it is a great little bathing suit cover up, or you can wear it as a fun little day dress. My daughter absolutely loves it. We bought it for her in an extra small and it fits her great. She's 11 years old, she's 5'3" and real, tiny and petite. And this is just such a cute little dress for her. She practically wears it every day, I would say. It is a really nice material. It's nice and soft. It covers well, and it's just adorable for the summer. If you're looking for a cute little comfy swing dress, either for during the day or as a cover up, I definitely would recommend this one. And that is my point of view.